So we're doing this to reclaim the kids and my husband's language. We're doing this so that in 30 years when we have mokopuna, they don't have to do this. I'm so proud of us for being here. This is not easy. We've moved away from our complete base in Christchurch, from like our village, and we really used our village to, you know, it takes a village to raise a child. And yeah, we live on a property in Aotearoa with my parents, so moving the kids away from them has been really hard. Like our 3-year-old is used to going down to Nana's every single day. It's been really hard going down to one income and trying to navigate all of the systems and things like that, and I'm just so proud of us for doing it. We've left our 11-year-old in Aotearoa as well. He chose not to come to Tāmaki. Since making the decision to reclaim my husband and my children's language, our biggest motto was to say yes to everything, even if it makes us super uncomfortable, and that means going to kōrereo, going to you know, friends marae, going to all of these different things that puts us in really uncomfortable positions, but we've met the most amazing people along the way. We've learnt so much, and yeah, we're just here and we're doing it. We're doing this for the future generations, for the tamariki that aren't here. We're doing this so that my husband is the first person in his immediate whānau that will be fluent in his reo, will know his marae. Our kids will grow up with what he didn't have. We're doing it for his nan, who, when we first said that we were putting our pepe into kohanga, was like, why would you do that? Because her mindset is still of the, you know, the generation where she was told not to. So we're doing it for all of those things, and yeah, we're not doing it for ourselves, we're doing it for the future generations.